Hey guys, Jonathan here. Welcome back. This is just a fun little warm-up. You're going to use fingers 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to go with the fret 1, 2, 3 and 4 all the way down, and we're going to come back up again as well. So you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can slide one up. So you're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can go all the way down the fretboard if you want to. Pick it just down, pick it just up, pick it down and up. Anyway, you are feeling comfortable with. I hope you enjoy.